How to set photos as a screensaver in Windows. When running Windows 11 or Windows 10, the screensaver can be easily modified by the user. Users of Windows 11 and Windows 10 PCs can choose to use a single image or a collection of images as their screensaver. When using a collection of images, the screensaver will display the images in a slideshow format. You can utilize the built-in screensaver capability in Windows to display a photo slideshow as a screensaver, eliminating the need for a separate program. Click on the Start button. Click on Settings. Click from the left pane Personalization. Click Lock Screen. In the Personalize Your Lock Screen, choose Picture. This way you will select a specific photo as your lock screen. Tap on the picture to activate it. If you select from the Personalize Your Lock Screen the option Slideshow, you will be able to add more pictures on the lock screen. You will see now all folders where the images are taken from. You can change these folders or remove them. Click on Remove to delete a folder that you do not wish your pictures to appear. If you have a folder with your best pictures, you can click on Browse and select it. This way pictures will be taken from there. You can add multiple folders. Now you have set up photos as a screensaver on Windows. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.